Welcome back everyone. Today we are diving into the world of cozy handmade holiday craft. In this video we will be creating beautiful Xmas decorations using two of the most versatile and budget friendly fabric, felt and fleece. These materials are soft, easy to cut, perfect for giving your home that warm handmade holiday touch. Whether you are decorating your tree, making gifts for loved ones, or just enjoying a festive crafts day, this tutorial is filled with ideas that are simple, affordable, and fun for all ages. Let's start with felt ornaments. Felt is one of the easiest fabric to work with because it doesn't fray. Begin by choosing festive colors: red, green, white, and even glittery gold or silver felt sheets. Cut out shapes like stars, hearts, Christmas, Xmas trees, stockings, or even little gingerbread. To add dimension, you can layer two pieces of felt and lightly stuff them with cotton or fabric scraps. Stitch around the edges with embroidery thread or simply glue them together. If you prefer no sew crafts, decorate your ornaments with buttons, bead sequins, or ribbon. Punch a small hole at the top and a loop of thread, and you have got a charming handmade ornaments ready for the tree. You can make it at home and you can craft with your children, and these time gonna be memories and a beautiful time for everyone. It's gonna be vibe, and I think you are really love to do that because crafting has no limits. Now let's talk about fleece garland. Next, let's create a fleece garland. Fleece is soft, cozy, and very forgiving, making it ideal for festive decoration. Cut strips of fleece in holiday colors, maybe red and green and red and white for a candy can theme. Tie each strip around a long piece of twine or ribbon. Keep adding strips until you have a fluffy full garland. This garland can be draped over your mantle, around your banister, or even along the Xmas tree. If you want to get extra creative, add small felt shapes because the fleece is stripped like stars, bells, or snowflakes. Now let's talk about the mini stocking. These are affordable, easy to make, and perfect for gifting small trees. Trace a stocking shape onto felt or fleece. Cut two identical pieces and either sew or glue around the edges. Leave the top open so you can slip in candies, chocolates, or small gifts. Decorate with ribbon, pom-poms, glitter glue, or cut out felt shapes like snowmen, Santa hats, or candy cans. Hang these mini stocking on your trees or use them as party favors during your holiday gathering. Every tree needs a star, right? Here's how to make a simple felt star topper. Cut out two large star shapes from stiff felt or double layer fleece. Decorate with sequins, metallic thread, or glitter fabric paint to make it sparkle. Glue or sew the two pieces together, leaving a small pocket at the bottom where you can slide in a cardboard tube or stick. This will make it easy to attach to the top of your children's tree. It's lightweight, charming, and adds a handmade touch to your holiday centerpiece. And there you have it, your four festival projects made with felt and fleece that will bring warmth and creativity to your Xmas celebration. The best part, what is, these crafts are budget friendly, eco friendly, and customizable for your own style. You can get the whole family involved, making this not just a crafting session but a holiday memory in itself. So gather your material, put on your favorite Xmas music, and start creating magic with your hands. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with friends who love DIY holiday projects. Wishing you a cozy, creative, and very happy festival. If you like the design,